Off they come, guys. Off they back come. Oh, it's starting to rain as well. And there's a bit of a revisit to my power steering. Seems to be alright. A couple of quid seal on that. Only changed the one as well. It was soaking wet here last time. Still wet under there a bit, but that's engine oil, that. Rust proofing. Yeah, better get this on before it absolutely tips down. I don't think I've ever been as happy to put an original part back on the car. We're off, thank God. Yeah, it's not got the backbone to hold the phone. Still slow, but slidey at the junction. Chill out a bit. Roads are wet. Yes, people, still messing about with seats. Yeah, believe it or not, that's the fantastic passenger seat I was showing off last time. Yeah, a lot's happened, long story. But my driver's seat's mint. I changed my engine mounts around, absolutely mint, loving it. So, my weekend's job was actually to fit these. We'll have to fit them this weekend, I guess. But I'll open them up for you. Well wrapped, isn't it? Jeez. Looks like I get a free t-shirt with it. Oh, I'm not getting in that in a hurry. Restarting wrap. Oh, it's a parcel in a parcel in a parcel. That old nutshell. More tartan wrap. Didn't tell what it is yet. No, it's not a dinosaur bone. Most people send it in a box with a bit of bubble wrap. Bleeding Krypton factor. Get out of here. In another t-shirt. What is going on here? Is that a pair of boxer shorts? Oh my days, Dennis the Menace boxer shorts. Told you. A pair of underpants. Oh, you couldn't even write it, mate. A pair of underpants. Yeah, that's what's in there anyway. I believe it's to be a Collins actuator. I'm a bit of a tight git, should have bought a new one. But we'll give it a whirl. I didn't skimp out on this, so I've got a brand new. Oh, you got a pipe with it as well. MSD fitted me last one to my Escort. Look at that there, little pipe clips and all that. That's a bit more comprehensive than the last one. Unless you kept the clips, because I only got this bracket. Yeah, it's essentially a bleed valve, a boost controller. Because my ammo valve is knackered, it's crap. He told me that last time I took it. I've not got one of them fitted. Just going to go with that, possibly that. Don't know how I'm going to mount it. I might end up even having to zip tie it to a silicone hose for now. Yeah, what am I going to do with all these? Some polishing cloths there. Oh, I'm laughing my head off at that. Good grief. Yeah, so it's just a quick update that really, where I'm at. So I'm going to crack on building a couple of Recaros. See you next week.